Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore fonts loading issues in Webflow using asset settings. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore font loading issues in Webflow using asset settings, start by opening your Webflow project. Navigate to the project dashboard and click on the settings icon. In the settings menu, select the fonts tab. Here, you'll see a list of all the fonts currently used in your project. Locate the problematic font that is failing to load. For each font, check if the font file has been uploaded correctly to the Assets panel. If the font file is missing, upload the correct font file to Webflow. Once uploaded, ensure to assign the font to the appropriate styles in your project. Return to the Fonts tab and check that the font is properly linked with its corresponding style settings. Next, clear your browser cache to ensure that the latest changes are loaded. Open your Webflow project in a new incognito window to test the font loading. If the font still does not appear, revisit the Fonts tab and double-check all settings. Make sure you are using the correct font weights and styles in your project. After making necessary adjustments, publish your project to see if the issue is resolved. Last, confirm if the fonts are loading correctly on the live site. Following these steps should effectively resolve your font loading issues in Webflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.